True with Guns America, I'm at SHOT Show 2025 SIG's Range Day, their Global Defense Range Day, and this is an interesting product that I've never seen before. Apparently it's not really available commercially, but it's pretty cool, so I thought you guys might want to see it. So this is what they're calling the SIG SPEAR DMR. Designated Marksman Rifle. The stock, as you can see, is fully adjustable and it folds, so it's very cross-like. So pretty much directly from that with a little different angle here. Otherwise, it is a SIG Spear. The other difference is it's a 20-inch barrel, so, and it is in 6.5 Creedmoor. So it's kind of set up as a, well, just exactly what they call it, a DMR. Tell us what you think about this in the comments. Let us know if you think SIG should be offering this commercially along with their other Spear offerings. Anyway, pretty cool stuff. We have a lot more content coming to you from SHOT Show, so please make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification button, and we'll see you on the next video.